Hey everyone, today I have here the Galzabino door handle set. Here's everything that it came with. Here's the lower part of the door handle. You do have this lock, you have this turn handle, you have the key, these plates, these that go straight into the wall, you have the cylinder, pretty much everything that you need to be able to set all of this up. On first glance, this is actually quite heavy. This here is also quite heavy, and it's also quite stiff in turning, giving you that more luxurious feel. Over here, the turn for the lock is also quite heavy in nature, which makes this feel overall pretty good. It also comes with this drill plate for easier installation as well. This is my existing door, so you can see all silver. And after replacing it, it looks more like this. So I've taken my door handle out. Now I have this over here. Just gonna mount this straight into place. Like this, just make sure the holes here line up, and this one down here as well. So with my old door handle out of the way, we'll take this, put this into place, make sure this is striking the plate where it should go. Next, we're gonna take this part, and then we're gonna push it straight through the holes. So if you look over here, this lines up right with the hole right here. Next, we line up all the holes. I line up the screws here as well, so I have these at the same time, holding this in here, holding this in here, and then screwing in the resulting screws. And then for turning the lower one, what I found is easier is if you push the handle down like this, you'll be able to turn the screw much easier. So when you're sliding this into place, you make sure that the top part goes up right here. You slide this in, you put the front plate and the back plate together, and then you take a screw like this, put it into place like this, and it makes it much easier to install. Okay, then the top mounts similar to the bottom. So the two screws, you just put them in here and then turn them similar to how the bottom one is done too. So now it's all set up. And here's how it's looking. Here's how it's looking from a farther distance as well. This square design feels really nice and elegant, especially when pushed up against the wall. Makes the door have a really solid feel. This also feels really solid as well, opening and closing. Here's what it looks like from the outside. You can see it looks really nice, elegant, and square, similar to very high-end locks of other manufacturers. And here's the bottom as well. Here's what that looks like. So it looks really elegant against the door, especially with the sun reflecting on it. It looks absolutely amazing. Here's how the door looks like when you're much farther away. Here's how it looks like when you're inside the house and as you approach it. Here's what it looks like up close.